It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, it's just to keep it together while it's cooking. This color is perfect. Vlad, vai, apri il pacchetto.
Is this those lockers, right? So the lockers have a floor just there, and they go all the way down, so it's like a couple of meters of space. Yeah, I think. There is zero electricity going through this bike anymore.
Hi guys, it's Christmas Eve and I am a big lover of Christmas. I love Christmas very much. It will be the first Christmas without my family for me. It's just me and Max right now, and I usually cook with my mom and my grandma, so right now I am alone, but I don't want to screw things up. I had everything planned for the this night dinner and for tomorrow lunch. So the kitchen is not really big, so I have to cook something. A week ago I make the lasagna from scratch. I'm gonna show you. This is my lasagna that I did it last week, and now we are defrosting. And I'm gonna do the vitel tonnato, vitel tonné, I don't know if you know it. And I'm gonna do the Christmas cookies. Yeah, we'll see of that because I never done it, and so it will be a try. Vlad is here, checking everything. Yeah, let's do it. So here in Spain I couldn't find every ingredient that I usually do, so I have to I have to modify a little bit the recipe, but that's okay, it shouldn't be a problem. The first thing that I have to do is wrap it up, the piece of meat, and I never do it, so usually a thing that my mom will do, so I'm gonna try and we'll see what happens. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, it's just to keep it together while it's cooking. So right on the other side. This should be enough. It's horrible. Ew. This is the first step. I write it up, and now it goes into the pan with oil and everything. Oh. This color is perfect. Okay, perfect. Now wine. And we lower the heat and the water. And now we leave it right there for about an hour. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is the Christmas cookies, gingerbread, I don't know the name exactly in English. It will be the first time that I do these cookies, so I'm gonna check the recipe again and make sure I don't screw up. Vlad is trying everything to distract me from what I'm doing. Honey will do it. I don't have melassa. ChatGPT is saying that honey is pretty much the same, so I will use that. Okay, let's start with the cookies. Gingerbread. I searched in the internet, the name is gingerbread. And while Max is fixing the outside of the boat, I will begin to make the cookies. We have 350 grams of flour. We have 1 spoon vanilla. I don't remember the name in English. 1 little spoon of ginger. Okay. 1/4 spoon of noce moscata. Yeah, 1/4 of spoon. I don't know. Maybe like this. Salt. And sugar. Yeah, I don't have a scale, so measure everything is just a little bit complicated, but I have this one and the baking powder. Would be a problem without a scale. Okay, this is 250. We can do it like this. How much butter? 150. Ooh. This is 250. Okay, this is 250. This would be 62, it's a little bit less. Max is still working outside. It's strange that he picked this day to do this job. Someone will think that he tried to avoid my Christmas joy. I'm watching the Grinch and I bake cookies and make Christmas decoration and everything. So yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. Ooh. How can I measure 120 grams of honey without a scale? I think this is 250, just the half of it, but it's not full. Shit. I'll ask ChatGPT. 6 spoon. First, oh my god. It's gonna be a long process. Sei qua. Mi tieni il cucchiaino? Uno spremiere. Spremiere. Sta arrivando temporale?
Fortissimo. C'è tutta la spazzatura.
Okay. And now we let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour.
1 hour later.
Okay, so everything looks good. I have finished prepping the meat and now it's cold and I'm ready to put the sauce on top. This is the present for Vlad. Vai, apri il pacchetto.
Vi uccido tutti.
This is the new, come si dice, cuccia? For Vlad.
The cushion.
That's why he's limping. Anyone go near that dog.
Keep up, please, and follow me.
Hi guys,
Quickly now, come on.
this is our Christmas Eve. We are eating my famous vitel tonnato and we are watching Harry Potter, of course. Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, so I was about to move forward with the next step of putting things on the right place. So I still need to find place for all this shit here. But the blonde actually had a really good idea. I want to know, but this is a question for all of you guys if you know. The idea the blonde had is we have the two big 4-deck lockers, right? And it's these guys here. These two hatchets. There's another one on the other side of the boat, and inside here, if I can open them, is these two lockers, right? So the lockers have a floor just there, and they go all the way down. So it's like a couple of meters of space. The idea the blonde had, it's actually good, is to remove that floor in both of them and create a completely new space that essentially goes 2 meters down, all the weight of the whole, and uses as storage. So at that point, I can actually build inside there. I can build a way to get everything out, right? So I can have racks, put the boxes in there, all of my tools, everything inside one, and the other one for the sails and for the fenders. I don't know the horizontal plane, because I don't know if the reason why they divided those in half with that floor is just to like separate and create two spaces, or if it's a structural thing. You guys have any idea? Can I remove that floor and just create a new 2 meters 2 meter high locker in there? Because that will be great. If I can do that, I can store everything in these two lockers in a way that I can get inside with a ladder and just get in there and do what I need to do, instead of having to put everything out here. But every time I need a tool, I need to, take everything out and stuff like that. So if you guys have any idea, please let me know. Today's Christmas. It's 25th of December, and really, I don't want to do anything now. So what the hell is this? No, this have to be water. Anyhow, yeah. Anyways, I have that done. One thing that we need to do, I need to take down the sail, because at the moment there is no wind. So I need to take down the sails so I can make sure everything for the guys of Starfall. It's hailing. That's the name in English. I was trying to remember it. It's hailing. It's a hailstorm. A storm. Well, not a storm, but it is hail. Just because we needed to finish work on the boat. Of course it is. Leave the cat alone, woman.
Well, look, you need to.
Leave the cat alone. Leave the cat alone. Got your bag, mate. The Christmas tree stinks because blood have been licking it for days now, for weeks.
Morning, guys. Today we decided to do we decided to do a trip with our Harley Davidson, but my Harley.
It's not every time. It's every time the same thing. A new Harley Davidson suck balls. So this is how stupid new Harley Davidsons are. Under the seat, instead of the battery being there, perfectly visible, is under the shock absorbent for the rear tail. So now, in order to get to To get to the battery, you need to completely dismount the entire bike. Which, you know, there's a reason why nobody wants these motorcycles anymore. But we have a plan. We cannot reach the battery directly, but I can reach it with a big ass screwdriver. So my idea is to get in there with the screwdriver, like so, and try to start it using the screwdriver as an extension for the what's the name? As an extension for the booster cable. Let's see.
This will be the video where we record an explosion in Almerimar.
Yeah. Oh, we fucking burn a new Harley Davidson. Let's see. Okay, that goes there. God damn it. Almost. You know what? I think we are completely and absolutely empty to the point that
No.
there's no electricity going through this battery anymore. Yeah, I think. There is zero electricity going through this bike anymore. Let me have a quick look of, because I have another battery which I bought. So let me have a quick look if we can install that battery here. No. Now this should go straight forward there. And this, kids, is why Harley Davidson is failing. Nobody wants a new Harley Davidson because of this shit, and everyone wants the old ones. The last Harley Davidson that you should buy is the 110 2016. That's the last one. No other Harley Davidson is worth its salt. They're actually badly constructed, badly engineered, horrible sound. So just don't do it, kids.
Make Harley Davidson great again.
Yeah, make Harley Davidson great again. Give it back
Please.
to... Get the guy with the bicycle on his LinkedIn page out of the CEO of Harley Davidson, and make sure that only people who have been driving Harley Davidsons for at least 40 years can work on management on Harley Davidson. That will be the only way to save this company. Anything else other than that, just don't do it.
I wonder what the other couples, married couples, doing right now.
Exactly. This close like that. Pretty important. Put this one back. Give it a turn.